if you travel with this, then you're going to need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I know summer is the time that you travel, fall is the time too, and winter as well as spring. So, well, you probably travel, whether for work or pleasure, you probably take things like this. This is CeraVe, and this is actually a banana boat sunscreen here. And this is not something that you would just need for traveling. This is actually a can of spray that I would put in my golf bag because on those hot days, give yourself a little spray so that you don't burn. And I'm always worried about stuff like this exploding or even just leaking into your luggage. You know, getting stuff all over and making a greasy mess, getting all your toothbrushes and toiletries all covered up, or your golf clubs or whatever, right? And this can happen not just because things get compressed or abused in your luggage, but it can also be because of air pressure. You know, you fly and something like this is a little more pressurized, get to high altitudes, low pressure, and it kind of draws stuff out of there. So anyway, you have maybe had stuff go ahead and explode. And I picked this up. This was actually the cheapest one I could find. These are little bottle covers. I'm assuming that they are silicone. They're kind of sticky here, but very stretchy. You get some in different colors here. And what I thought I would do is just show you. Look at this. Kind of looks like a big thimble or other things. This will allow you to cover up these types of bottles. They obviously have to be bigger than this so that it'll stretch around it. But I want to show you like this lotion bottle. It has a little twist here. So now I can dispense this into my hand. But if I twist this like this, it's not supposed to dispense. Now the problem with this is that it's pretty easy to twist this back to the dispense position. And like I said, if there's stuff in there that's kind of getting drawn out, well, that's no gouda. So what I can do is I can take one of these and now I could actually stretch it on there. But the other thing is you can kind of roll them backwards, I think, like this too. But if I just take this thing and kind of drop it on there like this and stretch it out and just draw it down like this, whoop, my finger getting caught in there. Now what we have is basically like a balloon covering this up. So even if this does twist here and get loose and squirt, it's going to be inside here. So it's going to contain that in here. And then I can clean this out later. I don't have to worry about all my other stuff getting ruined. Put the sunscreen in my golf bag. Now I'm going to actually just use this one inside out here and kind of pull it down just like that. So use that technique too. And look at that, all sealed up. So even if I press this down, stuff comes out. Again, I'm not getting stuff all over the place. So if you are looking for a nice way to keep your luggage clean, your golf bag clean, travel with a little more peace of mind, a simple cheap gadget like this just might make your life a lot easier. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.